Hi, in today's session, we're going to talk about how to edit BI reports. We're going to learn the difference between OTBI and BI. We're going to learn how to review all of the available out-of-the-box report options, how to make the reports customizable, and how to find the new customized report. First thing let's do is let's log into our instance. And when I go to my icon, I'm going to click into Tools, Configuration, Correspondence, My Reporting. Somewhere in here, you will have a link to Reports and Analytics. When you click on that link, it's going to take you into Reports and Analytics, and I'm going to click on Browse Catalog. This takes you to Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI. You'll notice that if I'm in my Shared Folder section, and I go down under Human Capital Management, then Career, and then Goals, here are the available reports that I have. Now, these are the printable versions of a worker's development goals or a printable version of a worker's performance goals. If you want to make changes to these, because maybe you're not using them the same or you want to change words, you can't do it here. You cannot do it in OTBI. You have to do it in BI. Now, the difference between the two is actually this URL at the top. This one right here, the analytics/SAW, is going to be the link to your OTBI instance. What you really want to do is you want to go into your Oracle BI Publisher instance. You'll notice it just has a little bit of a difference on the end of the URL. Now, when I go into Oracle BI Publisher, it looks pretty similar. If I go to Shared Folders and I go to Human Capital Management, and I come down here to Career and click on Goals, you'll see all of the same reports that are available. They're the printable versions of my development goals in a development plan. But here you'll notice, let me go back to OTBI. I really can't edit them. The system account, the system owner is the system account. You can't change anything here. If I click on more, I can't schedule, delete, copy, rename. I can't do anything. There's literally nothing I can do other than open it. But going back to BI Publisher, you'll see the difference here is if I go down to maybe selected personal goals report and I click on more, now I have a customize option, and you'll see that customize option can be clicked. I'm going to go ahead and click customize. And what that's going to do is it's going to now create a new report. I'm going to go back to the catalog. It now creates that very same report, and it is linked to a custom version of that report. But to find it, I have to go back under Shared Folders. I have to go to Custom. I'm going to click on Custom. I'm going to scroll down to Human Capital Management and Career. And if I expand that, you'll see my goals. And now here is the new report that I selected to customize. Now you'll notice there's a whole bunch of options here, such as scheduling, job history, editing. I can go into more, and you'll see that all of these are available for me to use or update. And if I go into edit, you'll see that the report is here with an associated data model. This is very important. So what I can do is I can pull down, I can edit this report, create a new version of it, make sure that data model is still there. And now when I go back to my catalog, I now have a linked report that is customized. So if that customized report version exists, it will show my customized version when I click that button in the user interface.